Nagsimula po ang bodega site dito sa Puerto Princesa noong taong year 2000 of December. At after 13 years, nakatanggap na po tayo ng Best Franchise Award mula sa Philippine Franchising Association, sa Entrepreneur Philippines at sa BPI Kanegosyo. Ngayon naman pong umaga, isaksihan po nating lahat ang pagbubukas ng isang magandang produkto dito sa Pilipinas. Yun po ay ang Twin Booster Fuel Saver. Kaya ano pang inaantay natin? Tara na! Ang Twin Booster Fuel Saver ay pwede natin gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan. Mapamotor, mapakotse, mapapickup, van, truck, bus, at higit pa dyan, pwede rin ito sa bangka, pwede rin ito sa mga generator.
Twin Booster is a non-pressurized dry fuel to be injected inside the combustion chamber. So, ang ginagawa ng Twin Booster, habang pinapabilis niya ang makina ng mga sasakyan, ginagawa niya ito mas matipid at yung lahat ng binubuga ng tailpipe natin ay sobrang linis.
We have 4 variants for the Twin Booster. First is the starter for motor vehicles. Next, we have the standard for 4-cylinder cars. Then we have the racing for those people who really want some extra power and extra speed, for those SUVs and AUVs and other cars. And we have the extreme for buses and trucks. Now, if you want really extra power and your car is just bantam, let's say 1.3 to 1.6, 1.8, and you want really some extra power like 2.4 and 3.5, we can put the racing for that extra power without altering anything. The price range of the Twin Booster is really very affordable, and this can be installed even by tricycle drivers if they will just put some savings. All the gasoline that they save, then they put the Twin Booster. At least it's just one time. For the starter kit, it's only 4,500 pesos. For the cars, we call it standard, it's only 8,500 pesos. You double that, it should be around 17, but it's only 14,000 for the racing. So you save a lot already by just going a little one level up. And for the cars and buses, we have only 17,000 pesos.
Ang Twin Booster installation is very safe. Kasi ang installation nito ay sa airline lang. Unlike any other fuel-saving device na connected sila sa kuryente o sa fuel line, like they use magnet to align the molecular component ng diesel fuel or any other kinds of fuel. Itong Twin Booster ay wala tayo sa fuel line, wala tayo sa oil line, wala din tayo sa kuryente ng makina. So wala tayong engine alteration. Hindi magkakaroon ng problema sa mga EFI o mga computer box kapag in-install natin ang Twin Booster.
In line with our corporate tagline, perfect solution for engine combustion. There are 3 problems that we solve. First is the power. So if we install our product and you test drive the car and you did not feel any power, then we did not solve your problem. Next, the black smoke. There's a lot of cars being tagged by the LTO for the black smoke. And if we did not solve that problem of black smoke emission, then we did not solve your problem. Last is the savings. Of course, we cannot test the savings in 30 minutes. That's why we are going to give you 15-day money-back guarantee.
Merong dalawang klase ng franchise package ang Twin Booster. Ang una, ang area franchise, na kung saan ang area franchisee ay authorized na magbenta ng Twin Booster Fuel Saver at siya lang ang may karapatan na mag-install ng produkto sa mga sasakyan. Ang pangalawa ay ang single unit franchise, na kung saan siya ay pwede magbenta pero hindi siya pwedeng mag-install ng Twin Booster Fuel Saver.
Ang Twin Booster ay breakthrough product actually. Sa mga na-boosterize ng Twin Booster product, lahat sila maganda yung maganda yung feedback. Katulad ng na-experience ko, lumakas yung power nila, bagong power, at saka savings pagdating sa sa fuel, no? At saka very good na yung combustion, susunog niya lahat, which means clean environment. So when it comes to franchising this business, why not? Ang ganda ng product.
Napakasimple lang po magkaroon ng franchise ng Twin Booster Fuel Saver. At mas pinagaan pa to ng ating business partner na BPI Kanegosyo Loan dahil sila ay nagpo-provide ng financing loan na walang collateral. Kailangan lang magkaroon kayo ng Twin Booster application sa amin at kami po ang magpo-provide ng endorsement para sa kanila. Sa Twin Booster franchise business, napakasimpleng kumita at napakabilis ng return in investment. In less than 5 months, kaya mo nang kumita at mabawi ang iyong puhunan. Nais ko po kayong imbitahan mga kababayan sa darating na July 19 to 21 sa SMX Convention Center. During the 2013 Franchise Asia, ito po ang official launching ng Twin Booster Fuel Saver franchise business.
Be part of it. Grab it. Be the first one in your area to have it. Call our franchise hotline today.